Hi! Welcome to Rhyme Time Tuesdays. I'm so happy that you stopped by. Today's rhyme is, here is the beehive. Are you ready to rhyme with me? Great! Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of their hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buzzing up high, buzzing down low, buzzing fast, buzzing slow, buzzing to the left, buzzing to the right, buzzing all day, but sleeping at night. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Great job! Thank you for rhyming with me at Rhyme Time Tuesdays. See you again soon.